All right, listen up. We're here for 10 minutes. You get lost, you get left.
Oh, how did one woman do so much damage? Ow! All right. I'm gonna need the full set of chisels, the jack plane, and about a quart of cut wood.
All right, man. You heard the captain. Find some logs and be quick about it.
Oh, for heaven's sake, you only need a little tree sap and she'll be as good as new.
When I want your advice, I'll... Hey! Where do you think you're going? Well, fine. At least take someone with you.
Why, thank you.
Right this
How
way.
nice to see some men haven't forgotten a little common courtesy. Common courtesy.
Not so fast.
But you know she's right. Tree sap would be perfect.
Just stay with the ship.
We will see how you fare against the Hecatoncheires!
I already said thank you. That's what this is all about, isn't it?
It's about repairing the ship. If I break something, I fix it. Knife, please.
Oh, yeah. Like, I'd give you a weapon?
Thank you, Rat.
You know, you really ought to be a little more courteous.
Oh, great. Now I'm getting etiquette lessons from a bilge rat.
Well, she did save the ship, Captain.
Why, thank you, Luca.
And now she's helping to fix it.
Very handy, I say.
And brave. This girl wouldn't know how to fix a broken fingernail.
Honestly, you are the most boorish, pig-headed man I've ever met.
Hey, lady. I've seen the highborn boys your type hangs out with. And I'm the only man you've ever met.
She could not possibly reach the gravity thingy.
Put it back.
Can't take much more.
I can't take much more either. Cut the line!
Is everyone okay?
Yes.